do we have a treat for you today. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has just launched, and it's already creating waves across the tech scene. But here's where things get spicy today. We are not just talking about the iPhone. We are going to pit it against the latest Android beast, the Honor Magic V3. Now, how do they stack up? Which one deserves your hard-earned money? Let's dive deep and break down the design, display, cameras, battery life, and software experience of these two flagships. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will have a clearer idea of which device is right for you. So, let's jump in. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a minimalist design that we have all come to expect from Apple. It's sleek, it's modern, and this time around, they added a touch of luxury with the titanium frame. If you are someone who appreciates a clean and classy aesthetic, this device will not disappoint. I am personally loving the titanium finish. Feels solid, premium, and looks just chef's kiss. But here is the thing, Apple hasn't really shaken up the design. It's more of an evolution, not a revolution. On the other hand, the Honor Magic V3 is playing in a totally different league. It's not just another phone, it's a foldable, and not just any foldable, it's one of the slimmest foldables on the market. It's incredibly lightweight, and when folded, it does not feel bulky at all. Honestly, it almost feels like a regular candy bar phone when it's closed. And for a foldable to feel this lightweight and natural in your hand, that's something special. So, in terms of design, it's all about what you prioritize: minimalist luxury or cutting-edge foldable innovation. Personally, I think both devices look fantastic. Apple has done what Apple does best, giving us an incredible display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with an even larger screen, and the bezels are thinner than ever. If you are someone who loves watching content, playing games, or just enjoys a larger screen estate, this iPhone has you covered. The OLED display is vibrant, colors pop, and it's just a joy to look at. Apple's promotion tech is back, so you get that smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which feels buttery in day-to-day use. But hold on, let's not forget the Honor Magic V3. It's a foldable, so you are not just getting one screen, you're getting two. There is the outer screen when it's folded, which is super convenient for quick tasks, and then when you open it up, bam! You are greeted by a massive inner display. This is perfect if you're multitasking, reading, or just want that tablet-like experience on the go. And despite being foldable, Honor has nailed the display quality. Both screens are OLED, and the inner display, when unfolded, feels like a mini portable cinema. This is where the Magic V3 really stands out. You are essentially getting two devices in one. Apple has always been the king of what you see is what you get, and with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, that still holds true. One of the coolest new features is the dedicated camera button, which you can double tap to access different shooting modes quickly. It's super intuitive and saves you time when you are in the moment. As for the pictures themselves, Apple's new photography styles are like built-in LUTs, which, if you are into video editing, you will appreciate. It gives you control over the tone and contrast, making every shot feel like it's ready to post without much editing. However, the real magic is in the details. The sharpness, color accuracy, and overall dynamic range are fantastic, as expected from an iPhone. But do not count the Honor Magic V3 out just yet. It packs a punch with its camera system. Not only does it offer impressive zoom capabilities, but what sets it apart is the external screen while taking photos. Imagine this: you're out with a friend, and they're taking a photo of you. Normally, you'd have to trust their skills, right? But with the Magic V3, you can see yourself on the external display while they're snapping the shot. It's a game changer, especially if you're picky about how you look in photos, aren't we all? Plus, its portrait mode is incredible sharp, natural, and with a studio-like depth of field. The dual screen functionality just adds another layer to the photography experience, making it versatile for any situation. The iPhone 16 Pro Max's battery life has seen some nice improvements, thanks to its new, more efficient chipset. You can easily get through a full day of usage, even with heavy tasks like gaming, streaming, and taking photos. Apple's optimization game is strong, and the iPhone doesn't disappoint here. The Honor Magic V3, however, has a trick up its sleeve. Despite being a foldable with two displays, it packs a 3rd-gen silicon carbon battery, which is both lightweight and powerful. You'd think two screens would drain the battery fast, but no. The Magic V3 can last an entire day on a single charge, and when you do need to charge, it's super fast. We're talking about full battery in under an hour. That's crazy, especially for a foldable. So, if you're someone who is constantly on the go and hates plugging in, the Magic V3 might just win this round. The iPhone 16 Pro Max runs iOS 18, which is as smooth and intuitive as ever. Apple is also stepping into the AI game, with more intelligent suggestions and automations in the works, though the big updates haven't rolled out just yet. But let's be honest, iOS is the main selling point for Apple fans. It's stable, secure, and integrates perfectly with other Apple products. The Honor Magic V3, on the other hand, runs MagicOS, which is based on Android, and let me tell you, it's packed with AI features. From AI-assisted photography to smarter app management, MagicOS offers a ton of customization. And with Honor's partnership with Google Gemini, you're getting even more advanced AI services, making this phone feel truly futuristic. It's perfect for someone who loves to tinker and tweak their phone to their liking. So, here's the million-dollar question: if both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Honor Magic V3 are priced similarly, which one should you pick? Well, it really comes down to what you value more. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem and love iOS's simplicity and reliability, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a no-brainer. But, if you want something more futuristic, flexible, and with cutting-edge features like foldable screens and AI smarts, the Honor Magic V3 is hard to ignore. Both are incredible devices, offering very different experiences. So, what is it going to be? Minimalist elegance or foldable innovation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.